evening, everyone. It's so nice to see so many people here caring about your university for next year on the sabbatical positions. As you all know, or you could have known, I've been Athletic Union President this year, and I've thoroughly enjoyed helping out with all different sports and helping them to improve in every way possible by improving their participation. And this year our books rankings have gone up a lot, so we're doing really well on the competitive side. But I also want to talk about the non-competitive side and getting more people involved in sport. Talking to some of the students in focus groups we've had recently on sport, they've quite like to rekindle what they found fun for sport when they were younger, at high school and things like that. And basically, a lot of people want to play sports. They generally want to have like a rounders tournament. They want to have sports days. They want to have intramural activities, which we've started well so far. That Adam, who's the current Vice President of Sport and Fitness, and our Just Play rep, Aaron, in helping with intramural sports. We've got that set up this year for anyone with or without an AU membership to join in, just go along with friends and have a kick about. Basically, with the rising tuition fees, it means that universities have to be more and more competitive. Obviously, with the price going up, it's not just good enough to be a university with a sports centre. You've got to think about the facilities that we have at Keele. So for quite a small university, we do well with what we offer, but hopefully next year, I'd like to talk to all the relevant parties in the Pro-Vice Chancellor, Marilyn, on student experience, and try and help give you guys more sports facilities, which is what you guys want. And basically, I just want to try and bring CUSU and Team Keele together, and hopefully merging these roles, I can do that to the best of my ability and help you guys get the best out of sport at university. Thanks very much.